Good day everyone, still Drone PH. We have here another test. So this is our SPDB, the Mario Mini 25. So we're gonna test this with our DJI Offer Lite version. Together with the propeller guard, we will try if how fast it is. So I installed already the propeller guard and installed already the DJI Offer Lite with the Flywoo CNC, okay? Because the original camera holder is on Jello. That's why I changed it with the Flywoo camera holder. So I put the antenna at the back, as you see. So we're gonna try outside, guys, if what is the quality and the power, okay? So we are using the 3S, the 720 milliamps for now, because I don't get the 650, but I think this is better. Okay, the 720 milliamps, okay, the 3S. So let's get it on. Let's go and check it outside, okay? Let's go. Okay, so we are here outside today, guys, to try the power of the SPDB, the Mario Mini 25, the Opera Lite version. So I gotta test a little bit acro. We will fly 2 times. We will test the battery, the 660 3S battery and the 720. Okay, so let's get it on. All set and good to go. Let's do it. It's hard to fly. It's cold. Okay, so let's arm and let's go. Let's go. Okay, takeoff is good. Offer light is good. No jello. With the Flywoo camera holder. Let's go for acro. Flip. Nice. Still better the Oppo Pro, guys. With the quality and the smooth. But if you don't have a lot of funds, the DJI Oppo Lite is good option also. Power loop. Okay. Great. The space is good for me for flying the 2.5 inch. Still cold. It's nice. Okay, so we're gonna go in front. So I'm using the goggles 3 for now. Still, I love the power with the Mini 25. The Mario Mini 25. It's so fast. Very nice. I love the feed tuning, guys. This is the stock feed tuning, guys. I did not change the rate because I love it. Super fast. Okay, so this is my place. 40 minutes from the city. Whew, it's cold to fly right now. 1 month and we will go to summer again, maybe. Okay, so this is the 660 milliamps 3S. Flip. Nice. We will do the second test flight with the 720 milliamps, the 3S. We will fly in short time only because it's cold, guys. Drain fast our battery. But summer a little bit longer. Power loop. Okay. Pretty good. Still foggy. Still so fast. I love this quad. Super fast. Super fast. But it's still the best, the Oppo Pro. Oppo Unit Pro is the best. Okay, almost 3 minutes. Little bit warm today. Like before, it's cold. Just to try Oppo Pro is best and better. Okay. One more flip. Flip. We are here only so that we are not disturb anyone. Okay. Battery low. I have to change the battery for 750. Okay, so we got almost 4 minutes with the 660 3S. Let's try the 720 milliamps. So let's go for the second time. Let's go. I prepare the O4 Pro with this SpeeDB, but it's fine to use the light if you don't have available funds. It's okay for this one, but I think better option. It's good feed tuning. I love the power of this small guy. Super fast. Super fast with the upper light. Okay, so that's only the test for now. The air mode is activated with this. It's better to off the air mode to better flip. I will try to change my rate on my next flight. Maybe we return to the O4 Pro. Let's test with the O4 light. But it's fine, the O4 light. Okay. It's good. You just here only, don't go on that house. Maybe they call a police, but no problem, we have license. I'm registered pilot here in Europe, all over Europe. We are secure. Okay, so we are using our goggles 3. We're gonna range test next time with our DJI Neo 2 together with goggles and 3. Nice, very nice power. So I have only power loop in flip. That's only I know. I'm not yet expert, guys, but I have a safe drone anytime. I did not broke. If you learn more about FPV, you can broke more drones, but me, no. Better to practice at the simulator. You cannot broke anything. But maybe one day I can focus to manage the FPV hobbies, because I have a job for now. So longer flight time. We got 4 minutes, I think, with the 720. Maybe summer we got 6 minutes with this. Okay, so we will only, okay, 4 minutes for now. That's only for now. That's only for test with the light. Okay, so battery low again. Okay, so that's only, guys. Till next time. For more videos, Jeff RC. Okay, so that's the end of our test guys for now. Till next time again, just compare the two batteries and test the DJI O4 Lite. So till next time with our GFRC, the Darkstar 22 and the Pavo 20 Pro 2. Okay, so that's only. See you.
Gotta catch another fight. Yeah. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. Yeah. I just wanna have a good night.